We've come a long way from the good old days of farming, where the only brand you had to worry about was the one you stamped on your horse's rear end. Tractors have taken over the role of workhorses, and with every passing year, there are more brands and models on the market. As mechanization came to the farm early in the 1900s, Australia faced particular challenges in adopting the new technology. Transportation of heavy equipment to the land down under was slow and costly. Local manufacturers entered the fray but struggled to build sustainable business plans. The first self-propelled farm machine to land on Australian shores was a Boydell Garrett steam traction engine that was shipped from England by sailing boat in 1852. It took 6 months to reach the port of Sydney in what was then a prison colony, the colony of New South Wales. Another 6 months passed while the lumbering machine was driven overland to the Liverpool Plains in northern New South Wales. During parts of the journey, oxen were used to haul the engine. Owner Edward Clerk intended to use the traction engine to cultivate his land at Bundoora. The steamer proved so cumbersome, however, that it was used mainly as a stationary engine providing power for a sawmill. A.H. MacDonald & Co. leads the way. Australian tractor manufacture got its start in 1909. The first tractor with an internal combustion engine manufactured in Australia was built at the factory of A.H. MacDonald & Co. in the Melbourne suburb of Hawthorn, Victoria. Engine maker and company founder Alf MacDonald was ever on the lookout for equipment that could be powered by his engines. But MacDonald correctly perceived that steam traction engines of the 19th century were totally unsuitable for Australian conditions. They were too expensive, cumbersome, and slow, and although wood fuel was abundant and cheap, they devoured too much clean water on the world's second driest continent. A steam traction engine could consume some 1,700 gallons of water a day, nearly 7 tons, and it had to be clean water. If you can't drink it, don't put it in the boiler, was apt advice of the era. Chamberlain Heritage. Arguably the most well-known Australian tractor builder in the post-war years was Chamberlain Industries. A Chamberlain Champion tractor was converted to road use with special gearing, tires, and brakes to allow it to reach 70 miles per hour. That machine, known as Tail and Charlie, was used successfully as a chase vehicle in 3-round Australia motor rallies in the mid-1950s. There were many exciting episodes during those 11,000-mile rallies, including a narrow escape when the tractor overturned on an icy corner. The occupants were thrown clear, which was just as well as the tractor had only a canvas roof. There was no rollover protection in those days. On another occasion, Charlie's bump bar was used to nudge a large kangaroo out of the way of the rally cars. To make life easier for you, we have rounded up Australia's top 10 brands based on performance and its incredible history and how they've transformed the agriculture industry here in Australia. Number 1. Massey Ferguson. Winner of Trade Farm Machinery's 2015 and 2016 Top Tractor Shootout, Massey Ferguson has proven its worth in the Australian landscape. As part of Global Farming Corporation, AGCO, Massey Ferguson has access to quality engines and cutting-edge technology. This combo allows them to build tractors that combine hard-to-beat efficiency with user-friendly operation and comfortable cabs. Fuel efficiency keeps running costs to a minimum, while clever design makes them versatile for working with a variety of attachments. As part of AGCO, Massey Ferguson tractor owners also have access to AG Command, a wireless agriculture management tool perfect for larger operations with a fleet of machines. Number 2. John Deere. John Deere is one of the most recognized tractor brands in the world having been a prime manufacturer and seller of farm machinery since 1837. While they're a US company, they have factories all over the globe to ensure their products and services suit the land you're in. This is a big deal in Australia, where our climate is like no other place in the world. The company produces powerful tractors with excellent traction and stability. Their price range tends to run a little higher than the competition, but the quality of their machines is uncompromising. Number 3. Case IH. As a brand, Case IH looks like a newcomer, having been established in 1985. However, their youth as a company certainly doesn't denote inexperience. The brand is an amalgamation of two companies that have been operating since the 1800s, and its namesake, J.I. Case, built the first ever steam engine tractor way back in 1869. The company also acquired Steiger tractors in 1986. Nowadays, they're pioneering driverless technology. Their sleek, cabless tractor looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but won't be in the hands of farmers for a few years yet. Number 4. New Holland. This agricultural giant has a range of tractors from compacts to crawlers and larger builds. The company has produced a hydrogen-powered NH2 tractor that is virtually noiseless and emits only steam. While the tractor is not yet on the market, it is evidence they are at the forefront of farming technology. The machine's New Holland does have available cater for every need, with simple, entry-level machines right through to larger, complex beasts. And their focus on environmental preservation has the flow-on effect of minimizing operating costs for their customers. Number 5. Kubota. Kubota may be based in Japan, but the company understands that different countries have different requirements for their machines. The tractors they supply on their home turf are different to the ones they make for Europe, which are different again from the ones we get in Australia. They have a range of models which feature unique additions like armrest driver controls and advanced performance monitors. Their turning circle is a standout above other brands, even in the larger models, and their cabs tend to be a tad roomier. Find out how Kubota stack up against Mahindra small tractors and John Deere compact tractors. Number 6. Claas. Another German company, Claas are experts at creating intuitive controls that make operation a breeze. Their latest models feature an advanced operating system with an auto-turn feature that precisely follows your specifications, allowing you to make accurate, repeatable turns at the touch of a button. Customers love the comfort and power-to-weight ratio of their Claas tractors. And the company is pure class when it comes to maintenance and support, with a widespread service network throughout Australia. Number 7. Deutz Fahr. Deutz Fahr, as you might have guessed from the name, is a German company, and they certainly perpetuate the German efficiency stereotype. Their machines offer superior noise reduction and a greater range of gears and controls than most other brands. Deutz Fahr engineers have also developed an engine control system which allows you to get maximum power while still maintaining fuel efficiency. They specialize in tractors and offer a range of machines to suit anything from small farms to major operations. Number 8. Fendt. Fendt are tractor specialists and innovators in the field. Their Vario series offered the first ever stepless transmission in tractor. Although credit must go to Leonardo da Vinci for first coming up with a stepless transmission concept way back in the 15th century, they were also the first to introduce an IVT-CVT gearbox. All of their modern machines feature Vario grip, which gives you control over tire pressure and weight distribution. They also feature low vehicle weight, high payload, and more bars on the tire. These features combine to give you more grip while protecting the integrity of your soil. Number 9. Mahindra. India's top tractor maker, Mahindra, are well known for building tough machines with a reasonable price tag. The durability of their tractors makes them popular in the Australian market. They've won numerous awards and are the only tractor company to have won the Deeming Application Prize and Japanese Quality Medal. These awards take into account how a company's performance advances have benefited their customers. Number 10. Iseki. Iseki is backed by agricultural heavyweight AGCO, and their focus on the compact end of the tractor spectrum has seen them create innovative, user-friendly machines. While the grass collection system in most other tractors forces clippings up over the transmission, Iseki created a clever design that emulates the process employed by rice paddy tractors. Their machines are quiet and comfort-focused, with an insulated operator platform and suspension seat to create a smoother ride. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out guys, stay safe,